Now I'm going to be showing you the teacher mode of CueThink. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the problem bank. To get to this, click Problems, then click View Bank. There are two banks to choose problems from. In my problem bank, any problems that you have created are stored here. In the CueThink problem bank, you can use problems that have been created from other teachers and the CueThink company. The filter bar allows you to search for authors or titles. You can search for certain grades, topics, standards, and you can choose how you sort the thinklets. In my problem bank, click the three dots to view info about the thinklet. You can view it, where here you could click the three dots again and assign it. You can edit it, you can clone it, or you can delete it. You can click one or more projects, then click Assign. If you'd like to add more problems, you can click the Add More Problems button down in the bottom, and you can continue looking through the problem bank to add more. To create a starting date for the students to begin access to the problem on the day you would like, you click the start date up at the top hand corner, and you can choose the date you'd like, and then click Done. You also need to select the due date, which will automatically delete the thinklet from the student dashboard 7 days after the due date. When you've set up a start date and a due date, select the class you'd like to assign it to, or you can select certain students from each class, then click Assign Problems. To make your own problem, click Problems, then click Create New. You will then follow the three-step process by adding a title. If you got your question from someone else, you'll put the publisher content or internet search and you'll type in the source. Or if you created your own, you'll click Original Work. You'll then type the question in this box here, and you get different choices if you like a bold, italics, etc. You then fill in the correct answer to this question, and you may add an image if you'd wish to do so. Then click Continue to Next Step. In Step 2, you'll add details. You can customize the strategies list and checklist by adding new ones, deleting ones you don't want, or editing them. You then click Continue to Next Step. In Step 3, you will see a preview of your question. Click View in Problem Bank to save it to your problem bank and assign it at a different time, or click Assign Now if you'd immediately wish to assign the projects to students. To view assignments you have assigned to students, go to Classes, then View Assigned Problems. The Assigned Problems section displays assignments that students currently have access to. The Close Problems section displays assignments that students have no longer access to. The three dots allows you to delete or edit a problem. Also, in the editing problem, you can extend the due date. In the Classes Students column, click the class that you like, and you can view the progress of the students. In each row, you can click the number, and it will show you the students' names who have either completed the project, who are in progress of the project, and have not started the project. To view student data, click Classes, then click View Student Data. Here you can view data from students in every class. Clicking the problem name directly brings you into the student's thinklet. Here you can do the same things that I showed you in the student mode at this stage. Click the back button to return to the previous screen. Pressing the answer button allows you to see a quick preview of the student's answer compared to the problem answer. If the date is in red, then the student handed their Thinklet in late. To create classes and manage student information, go to Classes, then click Manage Students. At the top, the classes you created during the registration process is listed. Below is the class code, which allows your students to join the class. You can add students yourself by clicking New Student, but it is easier for your students to do it themselves when creating their own account. Click the three dots under the class to archive it or to delete it. Click New Class to create as many classes as you need and fill in the correct information. Select Join Existing Class to become a co-teacher of another teacher's class. Just enter the class code for the one you would like to join. You can select a specific student to edit their account or remove them from the class. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, you can switch to student mode, view your account settings, and log out. In the bottom right-hand corner, there is the blue text box where you can talk to a CueThink expert if you have any questions. If you'd like to learn further detail, you can do so by watching the tutorials.